Molly, the mixologist here from Total Wine again. We're gonna make one of my favorite classic cocktails called a New York Sour. This is really just a take on a classic whiskey sour, but it's topped with what at the time was written as a float of claret. Really, you can use your favorite red blend, but you want something with a little bit of gusto and depth. So I chose one of my favorite Total Wine Winery Direct red blends over here. But we're gonna start, of course, when we make our cocktails with our cheapest ingredient first. So we're gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Classic sour ratio here. Again, remember to agitate your citrus before you pour so it doesn't separate. And then we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. Depending on your preference, you might want to do an ounce, but since you are floating with a top of float of wine, you might not want to add that much sweetness. Now we're going to do 2 ounces of our bourbon. 2 Stars is one of my go-to favorites. And then in this case, I'm actually going to ice my glass as well as my tin here. Go. Give it a nice seal. There we go. And grab our strainer. Perfect. And then when you float your wine, you want to do it kind of right on top of the ice cube that's poking out the most, because that's going to help distribute it over the top of the cocktail. Just like that. It might get a little messy, but that's okay because you're left with a beautiful product. And that is all you need. No garnish required for this beautiful cocktail. Cheers.